the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo S. A symbol of performance, prestige, and precision, now turning heads in the heart of Paris. Finished in a striking red, it's impossible to ignore. The signature curves reflect every detail of the Eiffel Tower standing tall behind it. This isn't just a car, it's a moving masterpiece. Under the hood, a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine delivers 640 horsepower. 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.6 seconds. That's supercar speed, refined and usable every day. Step inside, and it gets even better. Premium leather, sharp digital displays, and a cockpit designed entirely around the driver. Every button, every dial, perfectly placed. Whether cruising the streets of Paris or tearing through twisty roads, the 911 Turbo S feels planted, confident, and powerful. The all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension make every drive effortless yet thrilling. At the rear, wide hips and the signature LED light bar make a bold statement. It's instantly recognizable. Unmistakably Porsche. The 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo S isn't just faster. It's smarter, more refined. And when placed against the backdrop of the Eiffel Tower, it's clear some things are built to be timeless. Performance meets elegance. This is the 911 Turbo S. Only on CarTalkOfficial.